Hey, let me show you how to add battery percentage on this cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. To add a battery icon on this cover screen, we just need to open settings first. And after this, search for the battery tab, where we need to scroll till the end to see this section, Show Battery Percentage. Enable it first and then return to the main settings to find this section Cover Screen. And now just tap on your current cover screen, and here you can see the option to add battery. So let's choose it and enable to show battery icon. And then don't forget to tap the down button. And that's it. Now when you will use your cover screen, you'll see your battery percentage right here in the upper right corner. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.